identification of competence. Yes. So competence assurance plan. So Bimal, I need confirmation from you that you have construction HSE plan. In HSE plan, you have competence assurance, right? Bimal,
Competence, yes.
you have it right? Ne?
Which one, sir?
You are saying you have construction HSE plan, right?
Yes, yes.
In construction HSE plan, you have something related to the competency assurance, and you
Yes,
have
it is there.
project. Do you have this document? Do you have
Yes.
this document? You have it, right?
Yes.
Oh, so this
Can you
is
just show the document? At least see the competence appearance is there in the document. Just if you
Can you
can-
please share the screen and show us if you have it available?
Now this in the another system, sir. It will take time because the other office.
There is
I will, after
HSE
this,
critical positions identification is there.
What to do? So, okay. So, I mean, Bimal, I'm highlighting this point. You just send me
Okay.
the document. Send me the
Okay,
document.
okay.
Right? Let us visual send it. I'm highlighting it, and I will ask you. Right? So, of course, I mean, the competition matrix is in place, and formal interview selection process for the people are there, so that we have right construction people. Critical construction people like welders, there is no welder. So how can we say?
Operators, maybe you can write.
People.
Operators or drivers. They are the main role players in our project.
Drivers. Or
Competency assessment is performed for critical construction. Yeah.
But you have Najib, right? You have it.
Yeah. There is a checklist for this one.
Oh, okay. So, Bimal, I mean, I need to see this document because just for my confidence. So after the workshop, you
Yeah,
can
I
send
will
it to me.
send to you. I will send.
Yeah. So, guys, this is related to HSE plan. Major part says that the construction HSE plan. So we'll go one by one to see the HSE plan, to see the implementation and performance. So review the emergency response plan. So yes, you have the emergency response plan. We are glad. So we are okay. Verify that program of site inspection, audit, HSE meetings are being done. So contractor